Hello guys and welcome to our new video. This is part number 2 of our series. In the first video I demonstrated to you how you can create a UK PayPal account using the Rent SMS. This is the website, Rent SMS numbers along with 4G mobile data that they are offering. And this is the 4G proxy that they are offering for the moment to ensure a smooth setup for your new account. Now in this second video I will guide you through the process of verifying the email associated with your PayPal account. Additionally, I will show you how to add credit card, enabling you to send and receive money without any problems. Once you complete these steps, your PayPal account will be fully verified and ready to go. Let's go to our PayPal account now and let me show you how we can do this. Now we need to type PayPal here. You need to click on the first one and then click on login. And now we need to type our email address here and our password, and then click on login. PayPal is now requesting us to verify our phone number by sending SMS code. That's why I recommended using Rent SMS number in the first video. As you can see, PayPal frequently requires this verification step. If you don't have the access to the phone number linked to your PayPal account, you won't be able to log in. However, using Rent SMS online service allows you to have the access to the rented number, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free PayPal verification process. So we just need to click on next now. And go and bring our SMS verification code from Rent SMS. Just need to click on fresh button, and yes, you can see we have received our SMS verification code. Let's just copy it and go back to the click on continue. Now identity confirmed, as you can see. Now let's go and click on here and then you can see here like email address unconfirmed. Just need to click here and click on resend confirmation, and he's asking us to enter our time code, one time code of our address. Let's go to our email address and see, we got just now this code from PayPal. Just need to copy and paste the code verification here, and as you can see now you have confirmed your email address. We have confirmed our email address. It's really easy guys, it's that simple, very simple. And now let's verify our credit card. So I need to click on wallet, and then add a card or bank account. So by the way, you can add a bank account and debit card or credit card. I will show you how you can add your debit or credit card, right? We need to click here and we need to enter our card number, the expiry date, the security code, and then click on link card. Let me write my card number and expiry date, security code, and come back to you guys. So I have typed my credit card number, the expiry date, and the security code. By the way guys, the card type, it will be taken automatically. So PayPal will take this automatically, like he will choose, you know, the moment you write, when you start writing the credit card numbers, he will just take automatic, he will know which card do you have actually. And now we need to click on link card. By the way, you have to have some money on your bank account to be able to verify your PayPal account, right? So like €1 or €2 or $1 or £1 in this case. Just need to click on link card now. You can see we are confirming your information with MasterCard. In my case, I'm using my Revolt account. You see PayPal 1 USD. Check your Revolut app to authorize this payment. So I will go and check my Revolut app and authorize this checking. I just need to confirm that from my Revolut account. You can see I have confirmed now, and you can see now your master or debit card is confirmed. Currency euro. And I need to click on done. As you can see now, I have added my credit card to my PayPal account. Our PayPal account is now fully verified, and you can use it to send money and receive money as well. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video